A fold-down kids' homework station built into cabinets gives small homes a compact, tidy workspace that disappears when not in use. Design the cabinet so the fold-down desk is at a comfortable height for the child, typically 12 to 18 inches above seat level, and reinforce the drop leaf with full-length piano hinges and a pair of heavy-duty folding brackets rated for at least 50 pounds. Inside the cabinet, create vertical cubby storage sized to hold standard composition notebooks, folders, and 3-ring binders upright so they do not bend. Use removable dividers so the configuration can change as the child grows. Mount wall pocket charts on the inside left door for pens, glue sticks, scissors, and flashcards, and choose clear pockets so supplies are visible at a glance. On the inside right door, install a magnetic board 3/4 inch from the surface using a thin sheet of metal and adhesive magnetic paint so you can attach magnets without full board replacement. Paint the exterior of the cabinet door with chalkboard paint for a place to write daily assignments and erase them easily. And mill a recess under the desk large enough for a replaceable chair to stow with its back facing out for quick retrieval. Use edge banding on plywood shelves to prevent splinters, and label cubbies with removable vinyl tags so kids can help maintain order. 3 common mistakes are overloading the fold-down surface so it sags, leaving supplies loose where they scatter, and failing to plan ventilation for electronics like tablets. Prevent sagging by using heavy-duty brackets and limiting work surface depth so the leverage is manageable, and avoid thin particle board which warps. Stop scatter by assigning each supply type to a dedicated pocket or cubby and teaching the child a 30-second tidy routine after work. For devices, provide a small vent panel at the back of the cabinet and route a single power cable through a grommet to a surge protector outside the cabinet to prevent overheating and cable clutter. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project ideas for compact built-in home workstations that fit small homes. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, post photos, and ask practical questions so we can all learn from real projects and find the right help.